Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tech3 Dev. Today I am going to discuss about the Generative AI workshop that I have recently attended. In my previous videos, I already explained about Generative AI. The video link is provided in the description, you can have a look. And now what are AI text generation tools? These tools are used to create content in form of text. For example, they have many use cases such as resume writing, cover page writing, video description, documentaries, essay writing, etc. So you can make these tools useful for creating content by giving prompts based on your works. Writer, Jasper, Writersonic, Copy.ai. These tools can be used to create content with the help of text, and we can also create images with the help of these generative AI tools, and they are known as AI video generation tools. The tools like DALL-E 2, Crayon, etc. are used to generate images by giving some prompts. Next one is AI video generation tools. These tools can be used to create videos based on prompts which are given by us. So we can describe the video how to be created through prompts, and we can get the output as video. The tools are Pictree, Deep Brain AI, and Runway ML. These tools can be used to create videos. And the other one is AI speech generation tools. These tools are used to generate speech. So we can give the text and we'll get the output as speech, and we can also select the voice in which we want to get the output. You can also create your own voice with the help of these tools. The tools are murf.ai and Flicky. Next one is AI music generation tools. These tools create the music based on our prompts, such as we can ask uh, create a music with the help of tabla, sitar, etc. So it will create a music based on these instruments. Hugging Face Music Gen, Beatbot, etc. are the tools which generate music based on our prompts. Next one is AI code generation tools. These tools are used to create or generate code based on our prompts. We can ask these tools to generate a code in Java or Python to print prime number or even number. So it will give the code based on our prompts. So these are very helpful for software engineers, etc. Next one is AI application generation tools. These tools are helping us in creating or building applications. They are Famer, Hoistinger, etc. These tools can easily help us in building our website or application by giving simple prompts. So in this way, there are many generative AI tools which we can use and get benefit from them. Through this generative AI workshop, I have built a project in which I created a chatbot which responds to our prompts given, and it's a cool device. You can use it, and the project link is also provided in the video description. And this is my project, you can have a look.
This is the generative AI project which I have built. On the right side, you can see a chatbot. Here I am entering the text hi and submitted the button. You can see there the chatbot responded to me that hello, how can I assist you today? Later, I enter a prompt best game. So it responded to me and suggested some games. You can see there.